Hello everyone. If you are trying to choose between Visible and Total Wireless, both look similar, cheap plans, unlimited data and same network. But the real question here is which one actually gives you better value in 2026. So first of all, let's understand that both Visible and Total Wireless run on Verizon's network. So coverage is almost the same. So the real difference comes in how they work. So first of all, let's talk about Visible for simplicity. Visible is going to offer the straightforward unlimited plans, which are going to start with $25 per month with everything managed through an app. On the other hand, Total Wireless offers multiple plan options, including family plans and multi-line discounts. If we talk about the data and the performance, so Visible is going to give you fully unlimited data, but speeds can slow down during the busy times because the network deprioritization. Total Wireless in many cases offer more consistent speeds, especially on the higher plans because of better data priority during congestion. When we talk about the hotspot features, so Visible includes the hotspot access in all the plans, but the speed can be limited. Total Wireless also offer the hotspot, but usually with the data limits depending on your plan. When we talk about the pricing, so Visible is usually cheaper for single users and it is considered one of the best low cost unlimited plans right now. But Total Wireless becomes more attractive if you have multiple lines because you can save more with family discounts. So here, if you want cheap, simple, unlimited data for one person, then undoubtedly Visible is the choice for you. But if you want better consistency, family plans, and more support options, then Total Wireless is the better choice. So it all depends on how you use your phone. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.